Welcome back, colleagues. We hope that the last video has cleared your doubts and concepts regarding nutrition therapy. In this video, we would be understanding one of the best brands in enteral nutrition therapy for critical illnesses, CritiPro. Dear friends, presenting the peptide hero, CritiPro, the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition, which serves as a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. CritiPro offers the benefits of whey peptides beyond compare. CritiPro has improved nitrogen absorption and utilization property than intact proteins or free amino acids. CritiPro is a rich source of glutamic acid and BCAA. CritiPro improves visceral protein synthesis and wound healing. CritiPro improves gut integrity and decreases bacterial translocation. CritiPro also lowers the incidences of diarrhea. And CritiPro has a better GI tolerability.
So what makes CritiPro a complete balanced semi-elemental diet? The energy content in CritiPro is 464 kilocalories per 100 gram. The protein content is 18.5 grams and the source is whey protein hydrolysate. Fat accounts for 17 grams per 100 gram and the main source is MCT and soya oil. MCT measures for 12 grams out of 17 grams in fats. The highest concentration is of carbohydrates, that is 59.40 grams, and the source of carbs is maltodextrin and sucrose. Let's see how much nutrition does one serving of CritiPro provides us. Each serving of CritiPro is around 22.5 grams. The energy provided per serving is 104 kilocalories. Protein per serving is 4.16 grams. Fats per serving is 3.82 grams. Carbohydrates per serving is 13.37 grams. Sodium per serving is 48.64 milligrams. Potassium per serving is 108 milligrams. And magnesium per serving is 22 milligrams. How to intake CritiPro? You need to take 80 ml of water which is previously boiled and cooled in a clean glass container. Add 2 level scoops of CritiPro, that is 22.5 grams of CritiPro, to the water and stir briskly until it is mixed well. Once you prepare it, consume the contents immediately or within 8 hours if covered and refrigerated. CritiPro is best suited for children with 2 years and above. Unlike casein preparation, it does not clog to the Ryle's tube. It is easily miscible with milk, soups, juices, etc. So you can add any of these to CritiPro. And it complements the blenderized food. What are USPs of CritiPro? Provides highest energy of 1.04 kilocalories per ml. CritiPro is 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition from highest quality of whey protein hydrolysate. CritiPro is high in short and medium chain peptides and low in free amino acids. CritiPro is nutritionally complete with essential micronutrients. CritiPro is fortified with MCTs of about 12%. CritiPro has highest levels of glutamine in the form of glutamic acid for immunity. CritiPro is clinically lactose free and gluten free. CritiPro has lesser osmolality and less renal solute load. CritiPro can be given as a tube feed or oral feed. How are we positioning CritiPro? The brand positioning of CritiPro is the peptide hero. The brand statement says that it is the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition. It is a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. CritiPro peps up recovery and tides over illness. So what are we saying in the positioning statement? We are saying that it is a complete balanced semi-elemental diet that is complete of both micro as well as macronutrients, balanced of all nutrients in a proper proportion, and semi-elemental diet, that is it has pre-digested. The next brand positioning statement is peps up recovery, tides over illness. Peps up recovery means CritiPro peps up or enhances the recovery of critically ill patients, and also the word pep word signifies peptides. Tides over illness means CritiPro tides over illness or overcomes illness, and also tides is a part of the word peptides. So what are the indications in which Critipro can be prescribed? Critipro can be given to critically ill patients suffering from ARDS, that is acute respiratory distress syndrome, in which patients have inflammation of lungs. Critipro can be given in patients suffering from trauma, burns, sepsis, and ventilated patients. Critipro can also be given in GI disorders like short bowel syndrome, in which patient is unable to control his bowel movements, inflammatory bowel diseases, pancreatic insufficiency, in which patients does not produce enzymes that are required for digestion, chronic diarrhea, low output intestinal fistula, celiac disease. Critipro can be given in post and pre chemotherapy in cancer. Critipro can be prescribed in post-orthopedic procedures and fractures, in elderly patients with post-stroke and neurological disorders, post-neurology surgery, pediatric major illnesses, and pregnancy. What are the target audience of Critipro? The target audience for Critipro are intensive care unit physicians or intensivists, general surgeons, gastroenterologists, along with physicians and gynecologists. The potential users for Critipro are oncophysicians and oncosurgeons, orthosurgeons, and pediatricians. Also, key dietitians which are linked with ICU setups and other surgical departments are target audience for Critipro. Market analysis of Critipro. The enteral nutrition markets measures up to 137 crores, in which Ensure from Abbott measures for 61.84 crores, that is 45.17% of the total market share. B protein from British Biologics stands second at 42.73 crores and measures for 31% of market share. MacProt from Macleods stands third of around 20 crores and measures for 14.61% of the total market share. Critipro from Aristo stands fourth at 5.1 crores and measures for only 3% of the total market share. Cabipro from Fresenius Kabi stands at fifth position, measures for 3.75 crores and enjoys around 2.74% of the total market share. MacProt Active from Macleods measures for 2.65 lakhs and the total market share is around 2%. Ensure Peptide from Abbott stands at 7th position and values for 74 lakhs. Fresenius Kabi, Frezubin from Fresenius Kabi stands at 8th position and measures for 7 lakhs. Let's see the competition. So our primary competitors are Ensure, that is from Abbott, Ensure FOS from Abbott, Ensure Peptide from Abbott, Pentasure Critiprep from Hexagon Nutrition, B Protein from British Biologics, and Cabipro from Fresenius Kabi. These all are the brands are given in critical illness, but none of them are 100% whey peptide formula.
Let's see the pricing of the brands that are available in enteral nutrition market. A 400 gram pack of Ensure from Abbott has an MRP of Rs 565. A 400 gram pack of Ensure Plus from Abbott has an MRP of Rs 690. A 400 gram pack of Ensure Peptide from Abbott has an MRP of Rs 1299. A 400 gram pack of Pentasure Critiprep from Hexagon Nutrition has an MRP of Rs 1299. A 200 gram pack of B protein from British Biologicals has an MRP of Rs 229. And a 400 gram pack of Cabipro from Fresenius Kabi has an MRP of Rs 875. Pricing of Critipro. A 200 gram tin of Critipro has an MRP of Rs 395. Communication, the very important strategy for the growth of the brand. In this, we will be seeing the VA pages for different specialties. Doctor, presenting the peptide hero in GI disorders, Critipro, the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition, which serves as a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. Dr. CritiPro is gluten-free, clinically lactose-free and is fortified with MCTs. CritiPro is a hero because it helps in early recovery, acts as an efficient source in GI disorders, has reliable absorption and utilization as compared to intact proteins, and has outstanding GI tolerance. Dr. CritiPro can be prescribed in patients suffering from GI disorders like short bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, celiac disease, and low output intestinal fistula. The serving suggestions for CritiPro are 22.5 grams, that is 2 scoops in 80 ml of water. Dr. CritiPro peps up recovery and tides over illness. Doctor, presenting the peptide hero in cancer patients, CritiPro, the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition which serves as a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. Dr. CritiPro is gluten free, clinically lactose free and is fortified with MCTs. Dr. CritiPro is a hero because it helps in early recovery, acts as an efficient energy source for cancer patients, is a reliable absorption and utilization as compared to intact proteins, and has outstanding GI tolerance. Dr. CritiPro can be given 22.5 grams, that is 2 scoops in 80 ml of water. CritiPro peps up health and tides over illness. Doctor, presenting the peptide hero in critical illness, CritiPro, the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition which serves as a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. Dr. CritiPro is a hero because it helps in early recovery. CritiPro is an efficient source of energy for critically ill patients, has reliable absorption and utilization as compared to intact proteins, and has outstanding GI tolerance. Dr. CritiPro is gluten-free, clinically lactose-free and is fortified with MCTs. The serving suggestions for CritiPro are 22.5 grams, that is 2 scoops in 80 ml of water. CritiPro can be prescribed for patients suffering from post-operative conditions, post-ortho procedures and fractures, gastrointestinal disorders and cancer. Dr. CritiPro peps up recovery and tides over illness. Doctor, presenting the peptide hero for major illness in children, CritiPro, the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition which serves as a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. Dr. CritiPro is a hero because it helps in early recovery, acts as an efficient energy source for children with major illness, has reliable absorption and utilization as compared to intact proteins, and has an outstanding GI tolerance. Doctor, the serving suggestions for CritiPro are 22.5 grams, that is 2 scoops in 80 ml of water. CritiPro can be prescribed for children suffering from major illness like critical illness, chronic diarrhea, celiac disease, typhoid and jaundice. And CritiPro is best suited for children with 2 years of age and above. Dr. CritiPro peps up recovery and tides over illness. Doctor, presenting the peptide hero in orthopedic conditions, CritiPro, the first and only 100% whey peptide based enteral nutrition which serves as a complete balanced semi-elemental diet. Dr. CritiPro is gluten-free, clinically lactose-free and is fortified with MCTs. Dr. CritiPro is a hero because it helps in early mobility, enhances muscle strength, has reliable absorption and utilization as compared to intact proteins, and has an outstanding GI tolerance. Doctor, the serving suggestions for CritiPro are 22.5 grams, that is 2 scoops in 80 ml of water, and it can be given for patients suffering from post-ortho procedures and fractures. Dr. CritiPro peps up recovery and tides over illness. This was all about the peptide hero, CritiPro. We are sure that you had a great time in understanding the brand deeply and scientifically. But the story is not yet over. We will soon be coming up with a new video which will help you to understand about our next peptide hero, CritiPro DM. Till then, thank you and have a good day ahead.